Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily add Christmas effects to your WordPress website. Something like this, all without writing any line of code. We are going to do a similar effect to this site here. So right now we don't have any effect on the site. I'm going to log into my WordPress dashboard, then go to plugin and click on add new. Then I can just search for Christmas, then search. There are other plugins that you can actually use to achieve this, but in this tutorial I'm going to be using Christmasify, so I'm just going to install it, then activate. After that, I will just come here, click, then I want to show snowflakes. Yeah, so I can choose to pick how I want it to be. In this case, I will just pick heavy. Speed, I say slow. Yes, click this. If I want music to play alongside, I can just pick a music from here. Or let me just pick We Wish Jingle Bell here. Then Flying Santa, that is this Santa that is flying over here. In this case, I want it, so I check it. Do I want Christmas decoration on the images? For now, I'm going to skip this. Then after that, you will now apply it and see how that looks. If I want Christmas headings, I can click this. So this is Christmas heading, like this fancy font here. In this case, I say yes, then only on home page, but I want it in all the pages, so I will just leave that. Starting from where? So we are the activation date starting from today. Then we say we want to deactivate it on the 1st of January. Then just click this. Let's go back to our page and reload. We can see the Christmas font and the snow and the Santa Claus flying. In the case that, okay, let's just put these Christmas decorations for images, then activate. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, so you can see we have these Christmas effects on the image. Thanks guy, that is how to add your Christmas effect to your website.